So this little tool cabinet, it has a name, but it got ripped off there. I wish I knew the name. I'll try to research and find it out. But he said this was, all these measurements are for drill bits. So what do you guys think? Maybe? And this is really cool. Some of the drawers are a little stuck because they got stuff back in there. But it's really cool for organizing. I'll get these drawers figured out later on. Pull all the stuff out of there. I think there's some, handy stuff. I can use the stuff that's in here.